What is a Printoon? It's a fingerprint with a cartoon drawn on top, and it's more than an art activity, it's fingerprint art with a message. Printoons come to you in electronic form. Download the PDFs, print out the cover, attach it to a pocket folder, print internal fun pages, and now you have a Printoon fingerprint art kit to use with your choice of non-toxic watercolor stamp pads. Each kit comes with sample pages of characters, and since each fingerprint is unique, every Printoon character is a remarkable work of art. Printoon kits provide stimulating backgrounds to feature your child's special art. Each project is a keepsake reflecting a special moment in time of your child's development. There are Printoons downloadable PDFs for ages newborn to 100. There's so many themed projects scheduled to be released, with fun themes for groups, such as parties, clubs, and scouting. You can print as many pages as you need for your event, but it is illegal to sell or share them electronically. We have created so many characters and projects, there's something for everyone. Fairies, animals, aliens, pirates, vehicles, insects, dinosaurs, snowmen, circus. The list goes on and on. Printoons teaches kids to be very creative and helps develop fine motor skills such as fingerprinting, drawing, cutting, folding, taping, with projects such as bookmarks, door hangers, greeting cards, storybooks, 3D playsets, murals, posters, games, and puzzles. Kits featuring holiday projects are wonderful to give as gifts. They're especially great if you are the party planner for classrooms or clubs. Printoons can be an effective way to teach Bible stories for Vacation Bible School or Sunday School, and learning opportunities such as Spanish, seasons, nursery rhymes, fairy tales, and animal facts are found in kits for children as young as 2.5 years. There are learning activities to teach colors, alphabet, numbers, patterns, matching, and spatial relationship. There are even projects for babies. They're frameable keepsakes that document this precious time in a child's life. Greeting cards are extra memorable. Imagine Grandma receiving a card that features the fingerprints of her grandchildren, or the grandchildren receiving a Printoon card from their 100-year-old great-grandpa. There are cards a baby can print. Funky greeting cards appeal to teens, and simple greetings that feature a single fingerprint, which can be used when a person has difficulty signing a card, such as an elderly or handicapped individual. Printoon greetings are fun to make and wonderful to receive. I promise they will be displayed on the refrigerator, framed, or in a memory scrapbook as a cherished keepsake. Projects such as these posters that appeal to the tween-age children can be printed on 8.5 by 14-inch paper or cardstock. They're so fun. They've been known to distract kids from their electronic devices. Imagine that. But the best thing about Printoons is the message of the fingerprint. Since no two fingerprints have been found to be alike ever in history, it's a great way to celebrate and discuss how we are all meant to be different, and kids can feel safe to be their own unique selves. Each kit comes with an activity that stimulates discussion about how to be our best self and help make the world a better place. Printoons provide an opportunity to be creative, and since fingerprint art is a tactile activity, they develop small motor skills. Children have pride in creating and giving keepsake art, and the miracle of the fingerprint helps them understand diversity and is a tool against bullying. Printoons are being used by occupational and speech therapists, preschool and special education teachers, scouting and club leaders, home or school parties, and by recreational therapists or activity directors in geriatric settings. Printoons is a new twist on an old favorite. You may have done fingerprint art as a child, so you know it's fun. Now that you know all of the applications and benefits of fingerprint art, I hope you download some electronic Printoons today and start learning and creating with the loved ones in your life. To spread the good news of Printoons, Post your cute characters and your groups having fun with them. And tag us on Facebook and Instagram. We really appreciate it, and we love to hear from you. Printoons are special like you.